Well,
What?
how do I look?
You look good.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
No, you didn't let me finish. You look good if you're trying to peddle drugs in a middle school parking lot.
Thanks. Definitely appreciate it.
Man, you have got to stand up for yourself. How long you been seeing this girl for now?
About 2 months.
2 months too long.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't see why you keep putting all your eggs in one basket. All this girl's gonna do is screw you over, just like the rest.
I'm a romantic.
It's amazing how closely tied being a romantic and stupid really are. I swear, one more heartbreak, you'll go crazy.
I'm telling you, this one's different.
Yeah, you're telling me. You're always telling me.
Now this is my kind of date. I mean, those coffee shops are so typical. Like, they're fine for the first date, but
I took you to a coffee shop.
I know, I'm just saying.
Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Are you seeing anybody else?
I mean, I've been on a few other dates.
Oh, that's good.
I mean, that's the whole point of a dating website, isn't it? I assumed you were seeing other people.
No, not really.
I mean, you should. If it makes you feel any better, it was only a few other dates, and you're the one I keep seeing.
Guess that makes me feel kind of special.
Maybe I should feel special. All the other guys on there are playing the field.
I guess I just don't really see a need to see anybody else.
It was good seeing you today.
Yeah.
Something wrong?
No, it's nothing.
Okay, well, I'm gonna head inside. You have yourself a good night.
Yeah, you too. Wait.
What?
All right. I've been thinking. We've been seeing each other fairly regularly for quite some time now, and maybe it's time to consider becoming something a little bit more official?
You mean like a couple?
Yeah.
Maybe, if you're lucky.
So how was your last exchange with her?
It was good. We went out on our date, and then I took her back to her place.
Did you sleep with her?
No, I didn't sleep with her.
Women get weird with that sort of thing.
Everything seemed fine. She really seemed to enjoy herself. I asked her what she thought about us, like if we were a couple. I try so hard. Every time something happens. The least she could have done was be honest with me.
That's because she doesn't care. If she doesn't see it, it doesn't exist. No consequences for her actions. You did nothing wrong. You still upset? You gonna say anything? You can't keep just sitting there acting like this. Your world's not over. This is just one girl.
You don't understand. It's not the girl specifically.
I do understand. I understand completely. She's just one girl who doesn't care one way or another about you. You barely knew this girl, and yet you pine over her. She is nothing. You are better than her. So what if she didn't give you an excuse?
I at least deserve to know why.
You want your reason? You want your excuse? Get up. Go get it. Don't sit here. Don't whine. Don't cry. Get up and get it from her.
And if she doesn't?
Then you make her give it to you.
You were right. Totally right. Why get upset over this girl? That's all she is. All she was. There are 3 billion women in this world. There will be more out there. I feel better now. The closure. The talk her and I had. I feel liberated. I met this new girl. I think she could be the one.
And if she's not the one?
I'll move on. How do I look?
You're gonna knock 'em dead.